Smoking causes cancer. Consumption of alcohol is injurious to health. Be safe, don't drink and drive.
I'm very fond of music. I'm very fond of playing guitar. I'm very fond of singing. हम तो RD SD बर्मन के फैमिली से भी आते हैं. तो स्पोर्ट्स, मैं फ़ुटबॉल का बहुत शौकीन हूँ. मैं क्रिकेट भी बहुत पसंद करता हूँ. मैंने वेरी हाई लेवल में क्रिकेट और फुटबॉल खेला है. मुझे स्पोर्ट्स का बहुत शौक है. आई एम अ बिग लायनल मेसी फ़ैन, अर्जेंटीना फ़ैन, बार्सिलोना फ़ैन. कुकिंग, आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ कुकिंग. मैं खाना बहुत अच्छा बनाता हूँ. आई एम वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ गार्डनिंग. मेरे पास 150 से भी ऊपर पेट्स हैं, कुत्ते हैं. और सब कुत्ते या फिर रेस्क्यूड है या फिर स्ट्रीट डॉग्स है. कोई वो नहीं है. यही सब चीज़ें. आई थिंक अ सिंपल लाइफ. But I've already found someone. My mother has already also knows about it, and I will get married. And I'll get married to a simple, common person. Okay. Not someone from a royal family, but a good person, a loyal person. And I've already figured out. My aunt has met, my sisters have met, and I will settle. So we'll get the good news. Good news I will get because this particular person has suffered for so long because of my personal and my public life, and I think it is unfair. On my part to keep anyone waiting, and she's waited for a very long time. So loyalty, honesty, simplicity and commitment, one has to be all that. And your life partner should be a friend. It is not a job. This is not a contract. This is a commitment, and a commitment has to be honored with loyalty, simplicity and trust. I can fight for the rest of my life. But अगर गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया wants a peaceful Tripura, a non-hostile Pradyot, then they should try to do it as soon as possible. The longer they delay, the more it will be impossible for us to come together.